Our edge, we know it has strategy. It is a well-known fact that we exceed expected move, and we can exceed it by as much as 3 standard deviations. I know for a fact that on any given month or year that I'm going to see so many 1 1/4, 1 1/2 standard deviation moves, 2, 3, 4 standard deviation. I know how many of those that I'm going to get. The thing is, I don't know when. So by being in place when those things happen, I simply have to wait and be there for it. I don't have to worry about taking a quick profit. The trade's going to be what it is. And then eventually that's what the equity curve is going to tell you too. It doesn't climb because we are right a lot. It climbs in steps. So most of the time we have these flat stretches or ties and very shallow drawdowns. My drawdowns never exceed 6%. In fact, most of the time it's under 2.5%. So I'm always within another modest or big trade to make a new high. And then it jumps. I call it like stair steps. So you go runners, risers, runners, risers. See, the flat stretches are the cost of being in the position, and the jumps are the tail that's paying you off. The shallow drawdown plus a long right tail is what makes it compound. So what I'm saying here is that in order to compound, there's only really one way to compound. You have to have steady growth and then increase your position size so that you can increase the rate of that growth. And then you have steady growth again. Same exact process as back here, but now your position size is a little bit bigger, so your growth trajectory is a little bit better. And then once you get to another level that will justify you increasing your position size, you do that. And then you do the whole thing over again. Steady growth, but at a steeper trajectory because you have larger position size. That process is what causes exponential growth or compounding. Each one of those steady growth bits are going to be the stair step. Sideways, up, sideways, up, sideways, up. And then you draw that line through it. It's super tight. Very few drawdowns. You just go, my capital now is at a certain point. I will adjust my position size, increase it just a little bit, and then I go like this. That's the whole machine. And it only runs if you're still holding when the big one fires. And the only way you're going to hold with the big one firing or capture the big one is if you have a strategy that will actually capture it. That's it. That's the secret. You can't get the big kahuna unless you're in Kahunaville. I just made that one up. That one sounded pretty weird. But that's what it comes down to. And the asymmetric trade is what allows you to get there. The high win rate trade can't because the math don't math with high win rate. You will never compound ever with a high win rate strategy. And so what that ultimately means is that your high win rate chase is a lie. You think that by winning over and over again that you're going to achieve your trading nirvana. But when in fact you're exercising the exact thing that's keeping you from doing that. That's the secret right there. That secret deserves a thumbs up. And if you want to learn how to trade this way, go down below, click on the link, and join our Observer tier. In 4 weeks, you'll learn how to execute that secret.
Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. And if you're interested in having the tools you need to become a profitable zero DTE trader, check out the link in the description. Take care, guys.